Barkeep. I don't even know if anyone knows that we're here. Like hiding behind the wall. Like dummies. Here we go. Here's where the tiki comes in.
Take a look at the menu.
Pina colada, strawberry daiquiri, Miami Vice, rum runner, big wave days. Okay, I can be down. They've got the pride flight. It's like rum runner, and the middle one is pina colada on top. And what are the outsides? Rum runner and...
It was Dave something.
Big wave. Big wave Dave.
Big wave Dave. That one.
Big wave Dave, and then whipped cream and these cute straws. And a candy ribbon. So cute. I got a painkiller. This is kind of one of my go-to tropical drinks. And look, palm tree swizzle stick, pineapple, the cutest little pink and white straw. And look, the glass is a pineapple. Alright, here we go. I feel bad about saying that this didn't look like a tropical tiki bar. What they are lacking in aesthetic, they seem to make up for in drinks.
This is delicious.
Oh, it's really good. It's good. Yum. As Nate pointed out, two of the drinks on the plate are the same. So Mike and I are sharing. We're sharing the one that's the Big Wave Dave. On top of the rum runner. You think I'd never used a straw before? I need to take my big straw out. Enough is enough. There we go. That's delicious. That's really good. Mikey got a bourbon smash, which is bourbon and Mancha Reyes chili liqueur, which I need to get my hands on. Simple syrup, muddled blackberries, and mint. Look how pretty. But how does it taste?
About to find out.
Alright, Mike says the first thing you get is mint because you kind of dive into it. Oh, it's very fresh. Oh, that's really good. Now I kind of want to make that at home. It reminds me a lot of the blackberry mint juleps we make for the derby parties every year. I always do blackberry, regular, orange, and peach. And if I love one thing, it is a mint julep. We got a cone of fries. This is exactly what you'd think it would be. And it comes with a chive dip, which tastes just like sour cream and onion dip. It's yummy.
Yummy.
But nobody has any interest in it other than me. Neither one of them will eat it, but it's so good.
Well, here, let's take one more too.
Also, the very first fry I got toppled them all down.
I'm gonna agree with you.
It's like a very thin, fresh sour cream and onion dip. Awesome. They're missing out. We're at a bowling alley, so obviously I got sushi. Spicy tuna roll.
Obviously, I got sushi.
So I feel a little bad about my initial impression of the bamboo bar at Splitsville because you walk in and it's very unassuming, just kind of looks like your, typical, like, I don't know, sports bar or restaurant bar. Nothing tiki about it. But the drinks are really great, presentation's great. They have a lot of actually, like, really cool glasses. The bartenders were awesome. So, yeah, I'm going to retract that and let y'all know that you should pop in, grab some drinks. They have flights. They have a few different flights of tropical drinks. So, do it. Thank thank you guys for joining us. It's been a ton of fun, a lot of fun on our end. And don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.